Hopefully it's the anthill. Yeah, the trails are really badly marked. Oh boy, look at that shit. It's really technical. You gotta time everything just right. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Left? Oh man, they didn't mark this well at all. If I go left, am I going to go back on myself? Is that a trail? Oh man, I don't know where it goes. Oh, I came down, didn't I come down this? I think I came down this. I'll just be looping back. Maybe I'm supposed to, I don't know. Oh, let's try this way. Oh, I'm just going right back to where I was. Maybe this is what it is. Maybe it's a U-turn. Oh, I can't go up this. I should have taken a right. Look at this fucking thing. I should be able to go up it. I don't know if I should try. Let's see. Can I go up this way? I could go up that way. Go up this line. Maybe go up straight. This way. Cut over. See if I can get on this bike correctly. Just need to manage this. Wow, I did it. That was tough. Steep, steep, steep. Jeez. Oh, back out. Like cowbone. Oh boy.